And so I'm going to have to do Resurrection on this one because it's so sparkly and pretty. All right, and that one was the Rio Rumberry. All right, the next one that I have is called Dreamsicle, and it's beautiful. Let's take a peek. So creamy. Did I order this one? I don't think I ordered this one. Maybe I did. Who knows? I'm pretty sure that I must have ordered it because, oh, how pretty is that? It just doesn't seem like a scent that I would normally order. But maybe I ordered it for the shape because I do love a nice paisley. Definitely did order this sweet pea concoction because I love the scent of sweet pea and because these things look sort of like iridescent purple. Oh, it smells so good. I love anything glittery and iridescent too. So it came with that piece there. And then this other one here. Very beautiful. I love them all so far. Gorgeous. This smells like it's going to be an office scent. Meaning in here, because I have some for the living room, some for the bedroom. I have different scents for different rooms. Having trouble putting it back in the bag. It's almost like when you try to put a fitted sheet back. There we go. All right. That smells, it just smells nice and fresh. Oh, by the way, here is the card. This is my very first time ordering from them, as I mentioned. So I'll have to let you know about the throw and such. All right. Rainbow Sherbet Waffle Cone. This must be a sample. Because I don't know. Maybe I did. I don't know what I ordered. Smells creamy. I just don't remember Rainbow Sherbet as a scent that I had selected. I don't know. Very pretty. Once again, super shimmery. And it looks like it's just one, but it's two pieces. Very cute. I just so love the shaped ones. Yeah, the clamshells, which is just for scent, right? So who cares about the shape? I don't know. There's something about the shaped ones that get me. I love the shapes. All right. What's next? I did order this Aruba coconut. I just was curious as to the scent. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like summer, guys. Smells like summer. That is called Aruba Coconuts. Love it. All right. Let's see which one of these my daughter tries to steal from me. Then, oh yes, the Rio Rumberry was actually a set as well. I was going to say I thought it came in two, and then there was there was the boom box, and then there is the dragonfly, the same exact scent. Both just as beautiful. Stuff all over my shirt now, like wax melt pieces. Hawaiian Breeze, because who doesn't want some Hawaiian Breeze in their life? Let's see. I don't know. Scent is subjective, as I always say, though, but it's beautiful, though. Look at the pretty blue shimmer on there. I'm not sure about this scent. Maybe sometimes once you actually start warming them, they smell much different. So maybe I'll be feeling it more when I actually start warming them. Really pretty though. It's a really pretty set. And I don't know what it is that's about the scent that I'm not feeling. But again, it's subjective. So Don't worry about how I feel about it. And then these super bright, this is called All the Single Ladies. And I decided to get this at the last minute because, not that I'm sick. This smells so good. What is this? I guess maybe the scent is All the Single Ladies, but look at this thing. It's beautiness. Yes, it is. And then it comes with this other piece here. And these are freaking awesome smelling. All the Single Ladies, guys. All the single ladies. All the single ladies. All the single. I'm not single, so nor do I want to be. I happen to like my dude. Much as he gets on my nerves, I get on his. All right, so that's all that I had from Columbia Candle Supply. We had All the Single Ladies. We had the Hawaiian Breeze. We had this set of the Rio Rumberry. I love this one here, the little boom box. We have the iridescent set of Sweet Pea. We have a Dreamsicle. I'm wondering if they sent this as a sample. I really don't remember ordering this Dreamsicle nor this Rainbow Sherbet Waffle Cone. And if it was a free gift, thank you for your generous gift. And if it was just that I forgot that I ordered it, I need to get on some kind of meds. All right. And then the Aruba Coconut was the last one. Very nice little haul from Columbia Candle Company. Candle Supply, I believe it's called. And I'm looking forward to trying those. My second unboxing of this particular moment comes from one of my faves, which is Tucson Bathworks. Looks like she sent me a little extra. So I got a 3 for $20 deal. So she had 3 bath bombs. You can choose which bath bombs. So you choose any of the 3 that she has under the 3 for $20 deal. There are a bunch of different options for $20. So I love her and I love her products. So I decided to go with the Sunburst Bath Bomb. And I chose these either based on scent or color. And as you guys see, I like a little purple and gold. And pink and gold. Because then I got the Fantasy Bath Bomb, which is gorgeous. It's got that gold on the top. And then it's got the purple bath bomb, and I cannot wait to see what's on the inside. She did describe it on her site. She does describe exactly on the Etsy page. And then we have the Girly Girl Bath Bomb. And she describes them, and the way she describes them, you're like, yeah, I want that. Although she does have a lot of different other options as well. And then it looks like she sent me a Sunshine Petal Solid Body Gloss. Am I holding it right? Yes. And let's see if I can get this open. Finally found my scissors, but I still don't know how to use them, evidently. That smells refreshing. So I guess it's like a body, a solid body bar. And just take it out and rub it on. It smells nice. I guess it's sort of like a body butter. Thank you so much for your generosity. And that's all that I had for these unboxings. There won't be any more today because the post office has already left. So, still still don't know what else I have coming. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.